Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Which term comes next in the sequence and the sequence is given. Now let's try to decide or find out whether these numbers and these letters are related. So let's first write alphabet series and rank them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now E and V. So 4 letters are left over here, 4 letters are left over here. And the number between them is rank of E. So let's see E5V. Let's check out the next member of the series, which is H, S and 8. Again, after E, 2 letters are left and the number between H and S is nothing but rank of H. So H8 then S. So the next member should be 2 letters will be left K from this side and again 2 letters will be left P from this side and number between them should be 11. That's correct. So the logic is working. K11P. So the next should be N M and number between them should be 14. So N14M, sorry, N14M. So next member also is working. So the next to this will be 2 letters will be left Q17, Q17 and from M 2 letters will be left J10. So 10 will not be included, 17 will be included. So Q17J. Answer is option C.